Next topic is applying text effects. So we can apply different effects on a text like shadow, reflection and glow. Text effects are used to highlight important information, or they are used to draw attention toward heading or important information in a document. So to apply text effect, select the text on which you want to apply effects. Then click on Home tab. Click on down arrow of text effect. Now click on any effect which you want to apply. If you want to remove the text effect, then click on clear text effects option. Next topic is finding and replacing text. So find command is used to search or find particular word or text. And suppose you have used word excuse in a document. Now in place of excuse you want to use word reason. Then you can replace the word excuse with reason by using replace command. So replace command replaces the selected text or word with new text. So to use find and replace command, click at the beginning or starting of your document. Click on Home tab. Click on Replace button. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear on screen. Type the text you want to search or find in a document. Then in second box, type the text or word you want to replace with. For example, we want to replace word excuse with reason. Then in second box write reason and in first box write excuse. Then click on Find Next. Then click on one of the following option. Click on Replace option if you want to replace the word. Click on Replace All if you want to replace all the matching word with the specified word in a document. Click on Find Next if you want to ignore the word. So with this, word will be replaced. Now click on OK button to close the dialog box, or click on Cancel button if you want to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Next topic is adding header or footer. Header or footer is used to display some common information on each and every page of a document. So information in a header will appear at the top of every page, and information in a footer will appear at the bottom of every page. So we can add information like chapter title, page number, date in a header or footer. This is a footer. To add header and footer, click on Insert tab. Click on Header option if you want to display some information on the top of every page, and click on Footer option if you want to display some information on the bottom of every page. So this is an example of inserting header. So click on Header option. Then select the type of header. Then in the field, type the text that you want to display in a header. After adding the text, click on Close Header and Footer button. So this information will appear on the top of every page in a document.